Oh, it smells so good. How do you cut this? Ew! Dumplings are a complex food despite their size. Dumplings have two components, wrapper and filling, two things that are intricate in nature. I'll be taking a step back and only focusing on just one component for today, the filling. I found this dumpling recipe from a Japanese cookbook. The recipe focuses on three main ingredients, shrimp, cabbage, and shiso leaves. Shiso leaves are often a common herb used in Japanese cooking. The flavor of a shiso leaf tastes like a cross between mint, basil, and cinnamon. Some say it's spicy or floral. I'm curious to see how these ingredients affect the flavor of this dumpling. This recipe is extremely straightforward and can be riff-raffed to no end. Here are the ingredients to the dumplings. Peeled and deveined shrimp, chopped cabbage, finely chopped shiso leaves, chopped shiitake mushrooms, dried shrimp, ginger, green onion, sesame oil, salt and pepper, and cornstarch. Once all my ingredients are ready, I added them into one large bowl. A good tip on when you know you stirred enough is when the meat looks fibrous and there are white streaks on the side of the bowl. I have two samples, side A and side B. Side A has been stirred for about 5 minutes, but side B has been mixed for 10 minutes. Side B will be more tender, sticky, and soft. Once the filling was mixed and well seasoned, I allowed it to marinate for over an hour. Folding gyoza can be an extremely fun activity. The process is pretty simple, and all you need are round wrappers and a bowl of water. Put a tiny bit of the filling in the middle and water on the edges. Hold the wrapper in one hand, fold the dumpling like a taco, and pinch the middle. Then pleat both sides. 3 or 4 pleats on each side is good enough. Then shape the dumpling into a crescent, making sure you seal the entire gyoza. There you have it, a Japanese dumpling called gyoza, or Chinese potstickers. Cooking gyozas have 3 stages when cooking. The 3-stage process will create crispy bottoms and a nice plump top. The first stage, lightly pan fry for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium-low heat. The second stage, add water and cover with the lid to steam. And the third and last stage is take off the lid once the water is about to evaporate. This is the part where it'll get nice and crispy on the bottom, and it takes about 2 to 3 minutes. There are 2 audio cues that I use to tell me when the gyozas are ready. The first audio cue is, the bubbles during the steaming process has a distinct sound. And 2, the sound of the sizzle after all the water has been evaporated is a bit different. So when you make this the next few times, be aware of the sounds. The flavor of the gyoza actually tastes pretty good. The shrimp adds a nice textural change when compared to pork. If you are not used to the flavor of shiso, it can be a bit overwhelming. Shiso is pretty strong, and next time I'll dial down on the amount. If this is your 100th time making dumplings, or maybe your first time, try out this recipe and see the differences of an only shrimp filling. The flavors and textures are a bit different. Who knows? You might stumble upon something you might like. This has been Jonathan at Let's Try Kitchen. Here's a playlist for more dumpling videos, and subscribe for more dumpling content. See ya! I love dumplings! I love dumplings!